Dude, you suck today. What is that?
It's right there. It's not that bad. It's pretty close. That's pretty good.
That's bad. That
yeah,
is
but
bad.
I'm on a 250. You're on a 450. You got way more power. You get the 3-on way easier.
I still think if you're on a 450, it'd be the same. Wouldn't change. I think I could do the same time on a 250 as that as mine.
No shot. No shot. You're not a 250 guy.
I am.
You know,
I won 2 outdoor titles.
You barely got the 21 title. And then Denver this year, you kind of got whooped. I won Nashville. Nations, I let you pass the first moto. And then I passed you back, and I let you pass again, 2 times.
I crashed the first turn.
And I let you pass twice.
Dead last. I'm not gonna argue about this. The lap time doesn't lie. I gotta go do an interview.
Lap time.
I'll come back with some tissues for you.
Yeah, whatever.
Right.
Go to your stupid interview.
Yeah, I will.
52. Hey Dazzy, get the pit board.
I don't think I should either. It's been a good through practices. Is that my bike? Hey!
Hey, we should get me some white and black plates, Dazzy. That wasn't bad. Hey Jetson, how you like them apples?